Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to disable the Microsoft Edge desktop search bar in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's walk ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung registry editor, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select yung file dito lang sa taas. So click mo lang yan. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And then pop up from export register file. And then select mo lang dito kung saan mo isisave yung file. And then I would suggest and recommend to create file name must be with a date. Okay, so lagyan mo siya ng date. And then click mo lang dito yung save. Alright? So if you needed to import it back, so very simple. So same procedures. All you have to do is to select yung file dito sa taas. And then select lang dito yung import. And then pop up tong import register file. So dito ay kailangan mo lang i-locate kung saan mo sinave yung file. And then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright? So proceed na tayo. Ang next step dito lang sa computer, and then select mo lang dito yung HK local machine. So double click ka lang. And then dito sa HK local machines, and then select mo lang dito yung software. So dito kailangan mo ulit mag double click. And then dito sa software, ang next step ay scroll down and ilocate natin dito yung policies. So dito sa policies, gagawin mo dito ay double click ulit. And then dito sa policies, ang next step, select mo lang dito yung Microsoft. So dito kailangan mo ulit mag double click. And then dito sa Microsoft, kailangan mo lang i-select or i-locate dito yung age. Okay? So kapag wala kang nakita ang age dito, so ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin mag-age. So dito lang sa Microsoft, so select na ganyan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung new. And then select mo lang dito yung key. And then dito sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-rename niya. So lagyan natin age. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then once na-select na dito yung age, so dito lang sa blanks area, so kailangan mo lang mag-right click, select new, select key, and then select keyword 32-bit value. And then dito sa new value ay kailangan natin yan i-rename. So ilagay lang natin. And so kailangan natin i-rename. Lagay natin dito yung WebWidgetAllowed. So once tinagay mo na dito at na-rename, press mo lang yung enter. And then dito, kailangan mo na mag-double click. And then, pop up ito, edit, keyword 32-bit value. So, check mo lang yung value name, dapat WebWidgetAllowed. And then dito sa value data, kailangan 0. And then dito sa base, kailangan hexadecimal. And then click mo dito yung okay. So, once nagawa mo na yan, and then close and back na tayo. So, close natin dito, registry editor. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to disable Microsoft Edge desktop search bar in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.